For this video, I am going to teach you how to record video while playing music on an iPhone. So if you don't know yet, you can actually record or you can now record a video while also playing a music in the background with the same device or same iPhone once you have downloaded iOS 18. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have downloaded or updated your phone into iOS 18. So head over to your settings, go to the general section, and in the general section, go to software update. So just check that in there. So now once you have done that, what you can do now is to play your music in any music player that you are using. So I have my music or Apple Music, so I'm just going to play my song and then just go to the camera app and then record my video. So now I won't really be able to show you how or the process or during the process of me recording my video and also playing in music in the background because I am screen recording, and screen recording while playing music in the background is not yet possible in iPhone. However, I'm going to show you the recorded video that I have taken. This is the video that I have taken while playing music in the background. So once you have done the steps that I have told you about, then you'll be able to do the same. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.